Good Tuesday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here on Spectrum News 1 for another look at your forecast. And I will say we are quickly running out of time here across the tri-state to enjoy those fall colors. We are pretty much at or past peak now across the area. And with more rain in the forecast, that could be just about the end of all the fall foliage, those gorgeous colors, as things continue to transition into more browns and then those trees are just becoming stripped of their leaves. And it'll be like that until probably March or April. And we've got those cooler temperatures. Definitely a cooler day today. Most likely you'll need some of that flannel to keep yourself warm. Now, the warmest day this week looks to be tomorrow, ahead of our next weather maker, so you can probably just get by with a hoodie before pulling the flannel back out for both Thursday and Friday. And you can see those temperatures. Average high is 61, flirt with 70 tomorrow. But you see the other 4 days, yeah, much cooler, only struggling to get into the lower 60s, which means many of these days will be spent in the 50s before our temperatures kind of peak and then drop back down. Overall today, really nothing to worry about. Lots of sunshine, a couple of high-passing clouds. That is about it across the entire tri-state. But we've got that persistent northeasterly flow today. That is going to help to really keep temperatures in check from really going anywhere. Notice the passing clouds at first, but then tonight, those clouds should continue to just increase in their coverage across the region. And we'll continue to see that through our Wednesday before our shower chances start to increase by Thursday or Wednesday afternoon. Now, fighting a lot of dry air at first, so a lot of this might evaporate before it hits the ground, but it will act to moisten up the atmosphere, which will allow that rain to actually reach the ground by Wednesday evening and night. Right around 60 today with those passing clouds kind of coming and going. Again, the average is 61, so many spots just a little bit below that, but overall, a fairly typical day for this time in November. Seasonal tonight, if not just slightly above average, lower 40s, maybe a few upper 30s in the more rural spots. Wednesday, we'll see that rain move in by the evening, and it could come down heavy at times, especially Wednesday night and into Thursday, wrapping up by early Thursday morning before skies start to clear out. Friday and Saturday look nice. Clouds increase yet again on Sunday ahead of another system that could bring us rain by Monday.